Hello, I'm Dr. Anthony J. Davis, Senior Vice President, Chief Operating Officer, and the Chair of the Reopen Livingstone College Task Force. In March of this year, we were introduced to an invisible contagion, COVID-19. This virus has altered our lives in many ways. On behalf of our President, Dr. Jimmy R. Jenkins Sr., and as a campus community, we would like to take this time to extend our condolences to those of you who've lost friends and family members as a result of this unprecedented pandemic. Also, we are praying for those of you who are holding on to hope that soon this season we are in will come to an end. However, there is joy in knowing that the God we serve is indeed our refuge and strength, and a very present help in the time of trouble. Keep the faith. God is in control. In May of this year, our president, Dr. Jimmy R. Jenkins Sr., established the Reopen Livingstone College Task Force. Our assignment: develop, deliver, and deploy a plan of operation that will foster the safe reopening of our campus and will be able to operate in this COVID-19 era. The task force has determined that we can indeed execute our mission in the COVID-19 era. This will be accomplished as a campus community as we deploy 8 critical protocols. Please note, these protocols are not a cure. Instead, this plan of operation will mitigate our risk and reduce our rate of exposure to the COVID-19 virus. We have determined that Livingstone College can deliver quality academic instruction in a safe living, learning, and yes, working environment. The task force has researched and examined other higher education institutions related to reopening. We've examined the most recent CDC guidelines for higher education institutions. And also, we formed partnerships and consulted with Novant Health, the Rowan County Health Department, Quest Diagnostic Laboratories, and a host of others, giving our plan credibility. And now we are prepared to deploy the 8 critical protocols that will enable this great institution to execute our mission in the new normal, a mission that is too critical to abandon. In the next series of videos, you'll get a concise version of our 8 protocols. To read our complete reopening campus operations plan, please visit our website at www.livingstone.edu. To view a digital copy or request a printed copy, you can just email kharrington@livingstone.edu.